Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis update of gold and silver. We'll jump through it right now, give you my financial opinion. And here we go. We get the dollar. Dollar is still getting weaker. It's coming on back, pulling on back. Pretty good pullback so far in the short term. The 10-year yield is holding steady here. We bounced to hit our head, and we're just kind of slowly pulling back. We've got the CRB index, just to kind of hit it real quick, breaking out to the upside. Looks like we're going to take another run at it for the CRB. Gold, remember, gold, it leads, lags, and then comes back again towards the end of the bull market. This was us leading in the bull market, 2019, pulling on up. We're lagging here, and I think we're going to start up again at some point soon. So this pullback's real small. We're on top of the pattern. Everything looks good. Silver, again, we're on top of this support resistance line right here. And we're looking okay. Platinum, trying to find some footing right where it's at. It's in a descending wedge or falling wedge, which will eventually work its way higher. And then it will break out and get moving. It'll be a good long move, I think, when this thing does break. XAU to gold ratio. We're just moving sideways here. Had a nice big pullback, meaning that the mining companies are cheap in relationship to gold. Big picture view. Get it off log scale real quick. Here we are. We're way back here. It is very cheap down here, guys. It's very cheap. Good opportunity. Looking at the companies themselves, Karora Resources. We're finding support right on the support line. We've got EXK. Looks like this is wanting to go higher here. Nice good bounce off this lower support line for the trend line. It's a falling wedge, and I think we'll eventually work our way higher. Fortuna Silver Mines, another one that looks good. And I usually see these V's here, these kind of V-type bottoms, and then we move on up. It's an inverted head and shoulders for the most part, but I see them a lot. So that looks good. SILJ is looking good. You get that nice V. Hopefully you can get some buying pressure in it. GDX, another one's got that V bottom. And we're still above these patterns. And we're either inside of them or above them, depending on which companies you're looking at. But still looks good. Metallic minerals, just moving sideways. Koya Resources. These are small little silver exploration plays. Just moving sideways there. Discovery Silver, again, just moving sideways, getting that type of V, kind of that V shape pattern that I see a lot. First Majestic getting a little bit of buying pressure today. It's looking a little better. Looks like we're trying to find some footing. This is a massive move from here to here. It's good value down here, guys. If this is when you want to look at things, you evaluate and you want to say, okay, is this in a good location? And I circled that one. I'm going to back out real quick for First Majestic. First Majestic is way down here. It's almost towards its bottom trend line. That's where you want to start looking, is that general vicinity. I think it looks great. Newmont, getting that little V bottom, going up above support resistance. Mag Silver getting that V bottom. I think we're going to move higher here, guys. They look good. I always see those V bottoms towards the bottom. You kind of see them like here, here. There's one there. There's another one there. And then we got this one here. So that looks good. Get those out. Yamana Gold. This guy was hitting its head on the long-term big picture view. So that's that white line going across, this big long-term resistance line. We hit it. We've got a small pullback on the monthlies, and then I think we'll move way on higher coming up. Big up days, small little pullback, and then we go. That is a signature trade of the buyers in control of the sellers. Impact Silver. Zooming in on the dailies real quick. Again, just moving sideways right above support. Nice, good area to be looking at it. Aftermath Silver. It's trying to find some support down here. We'll see if it finds it. Hasn't found it yet. Platinum Group Metals doing the launch. It is getting a little bit tired here. We'll probably see a little bit of a pullback soon. Siboney Stillwater moving on up quite strongly. That looks good. Looks good. And then the royalty companies, Sandstorm Gold moving sideways right on support. Looks good there. Franco-Nevada moving along sideways against the support line. Looks good. EMX moving sideways. These usually, the downward momentum's worked off. I think they're low risk, good upside potential. Tune Resources heading higher. Wheaton Precious Metals moving sideways above the support line. Looks great. Gold Royalty, not as good looking as the other ones. Metallo Royalty, I usually see that, and then they usually eventually work their way higher. Mavericks Metals up a little bit today. Nice, good bullish engulfing there. That usually resolves itself higher. Royal Gold going sideways. I still like it right here if you guys like that. Nice entry point there. And then a Cisco Gold Royalty coming up, bouncing off support. And then I think we'll eventually work our way higher. And then Altius Minerals, bullish engulfing, bullish piercing, bullish piercing, bullish piercing. It looks good to move higher. It's right on support. So that looks good. But that's what I've got for today, guys. Gold and silver looks fantastic. It looks great. We're still above patterns. Things have pulled back quite a bit. I think they're good entry points. That's me. If you guys like the content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website. The Platinum membership will get you. We're going to have a meeting, question and answer session Saturday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That is different than what we normally have done. One, I can't do it in the morning, so I put it in the evening. It'll also, hopefully, other people can join during that time frame. So it'll be a little bit better for others to join, get a little bit different mix. 5 p.m. Saturday is the question and answer session. Obviously, I record it. I put all my recordings on the website. You guys can see the question and answer sessions after. If you want to directly participate in it and ask questions, go ahead. Ask the difficult questions. Ask away. I'll be free to answer whatever you guys have. So that's what I've got for today, guys. I'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.